How to pay Amazon Chase card from desktop. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can pay Amazon Chase card from desktop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up a browser on your desktop. And in the search bar, head over to www.chase.com. So once you land on the official page of Chase, you have to log in. So from the login prompt, enter your username and password, then click on sign in button. Once you're signed in, then you have to head over to pay and transfer section. There, click on pay credit card. Or you could simply click on your Amazon Visa card account from the dashboard if you have that option in the dashboard. If not, head over to pay and transfer, then click on pay credit card. Then you have to click a payment or make a payment. Click or select payment amount, the date, and the bank account. After that, make sure that you review and confirm your details. Once you're done with that, then finally click on submit. That's it. That's how you can pay Amazon Chase card from desktop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.